Right, go for it, little one.
Hello. Today we're going to make grow your own crystals.
Well, crystal growings, we got this from the works one day. So we'll see how she goes.
And if you buy this, you have to wait until you go inside and it tells you when you're inside, maybe.
It is an 8+, but yeah, she's over 6, so it's good for her to learn.
Inside it.
Oh, boy.
Got a little tub. Ooh.
A mixing tub.
Oh, yay.
Another mixing tub.
What are these? Rocks?
Rocks.
Why do you need rocks?
I don't know.
Never mix
Right, you'll also need eye protection, your glasses, a drop cloth or plastic to protect your work area.
Why do we need to protect it?
From you spilling stuff on it.
What, this?
Yes.
This is so cool. I know it's for 8-year-old, but I'm nearly 8.
Crystals will start to grow within 72 hours. So you've got 72 hours to grow a crystal.
Oh, that's long.
I was hoping there was a rock in here that I would recognise. Go, oh, that's a tiger's eye.
But there isn't.
But clearly not.
Hey!
Okay, so for this we're going to use my scales because my scales can measure millilitres by weight, so that's really cool. It's boiling hot water.
Hope it won't melt the plastic.
Right, I think I've got everything together that I need. So we don't need that because that's for growing in. What is the first crystal going to be that we're going to grow on? Which one of these? Should we try these 3?
What's this one do?
That's the slate. I don't know what any of them do. Should we try these 3 together because they look roughly the same?
Let's do that one.
No, let's make it a little bit bigger because the crystals have got to attach to the rock, so...
Let's do this.
Right, let's go. We wanted 35 mils.
Oh.
Right, 3/4 of this bag.
3
quarters. Yep, that's 3/4 of that bag.
That is beautiful.
And then 3/4 of this bag.
Oh, this is getting beautiful with yellow and orange.
Right, you want to stir and mix it, please?
It's mixed now.
Yep, now we have to leave it to cool. So we'll get back to you in a minute when it's cooled down.
How long will it take to cool down?
I have no idea. Right, so the pink feels about cool enough now.
Yeah, I feel too. Yeah, it's cool.
So let's take the spoon out.
Which one do we pour it in?
You're going to pour it into the round one you decided for the pink.
What? All of it?
Yep, pour it all in there.
All of it, yay.
Good girl. Sprinkle that on top.
What, all of it?
Yep. Other way, I've snipped it.
You snipped it that way. All of it?
Yep. On top of the rocks. And then we've got to leave them for 3 days to grow.
What, so we need to leave that? Hey.
Yep, leave.
Hey, wait.
Right, so we're going to leave it for 3 days and then it should start to grow, and then we'll probably leave it a further 2 or 3 days thereafter to see if it reaches maximum height before moving it into her bedroom to collect all the dust.
And this might be funny. If that orange one goes huge...
Mummy made a mistake.
And it might roll off, I'll get spiked if it will be spiky. I'll get spiked. And then I'll be her, and then Mummy will laugh at me.
I sound like a cruel mum. So we'll see you in about 3 days' time.
Bye!
Bye!